To fix the Samsung washing machine 5C error code, start by understanding what it means. The 5C error code indicates a problem with the washing machine's drain system. This issue can be caused by a clogged drain pump filter or a blockage in the drain hose. First, turn off the washing machine and unplug it from the power source. Then, locate the drain pump filter, usually found at the bottom of the machine or behind a panel. Depending on the model, remove any screws or clips holding the panel in place and gently pull it out. Next, remove the filter and clean it thoroughly with warm water. Check for any blockages, such as lint, coins, or other debris, and remove them. If the filter is damaged, replace it with a new one. After cleaning or replacing the filter, reassemble the panel and screw it back into place. Plug in the washing machine and turn it on to test if the error code is resolved. If the issue persists, check the drain hose for any kinks or blockages. Straighten out any kinks and ensure the hose is not clogged. If the problem still exists, it may be necessary to check the drain pump itself. In this case, it is recommended to consult a professional for further assistance. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning the drain pump filter every 1 to 3 months, can help prevent this error code from occurring in the future. By following these steps and taking preventative measures, you can resolve the Samsung washing machine 5C error code and ensure your machine runs efficiently. Remember to always refer to your user manual for specific instructions and guidelines for your particular model.